I've made several I tried methods to see if I can make money online, and in this video I'm going to try a method that claims you can get paid $800 in the next 24 hours as a beginner. And here it claims that you can make this money without having any website and without spending any money on ads. So just follow me in this video and see if I can make this money in the next 24 hours. If you appreciate me doing this kind of videos, please show me by liking this video. And now let's go to the first step, which is going to this website DigiStore24. So here I'm in the DigiStore24. Here you go and start now, and it's free to sign up. I've already signed up in this platform, so I go to my dashboard, and here in my dashboard it just says all the earnings and all the things at the top products. What I do is I go to this section marketplace, and it shows me different products here that we can use to promote and get a commission rate. For example, this one is not English, so for example this supplement, if you just sell it, for example this is a selling price $167, and you get 65% commission. It means that your commission would be $124. That is pretty good. And also it says that 20% of people who just go to the purchase section, they make the decision to buy, and the return rate is 6%, which is a little high for this, but it sounds generally good affiliate things here. And also we can go to the sales page here, but what you are going to do is go to this section here, popularity, and just go to the earning sales and see the highest paying products here for affiliate marketing. For example, this one says that the gold program face-to-face seminar for business clients, which is $3,300, and you get like 25% commission here. So what we need to do is here to find a product that can sell well, but also it has good statistics. So it means that this product has already been successful, so we can make sure that it's going to work. So here, I think this one is looking good. Passive income system, digital membership. So I think this is a program that is being sold at $760, and we can get a commission, 50% commission, if we have someone to buy this product. So I'm going to have a look at the sales page and see how it looks. So it looks really good here, as we can see this page, and it says that you should click this just to have a free training. So I'm going to use this product here. So I just go here again, go back to DigiStore. And here, what I do is that copy the promo link. So that's the link I'm going to use in the next stages. Okay, what I'm going to do is to search here job post to find the templates related to job post here. So I go to the section all templates here. Okay, so I'm going just to choose, for example, this one. So let me just search here job post again, so it can show me which ones are free or not. So I think these ones are free. Okay, for example, I'd go with this one. Yeah, I choose this one. So here, as we can see, this one is free. So I'm going to let me just see if it's free or not. I just download it. So this is the design content. Oh, okay, premium content. So for example, if I leave this, what about now? Okay, it's downloading now. All right, so it's good. It's not paid. So what I do now is I'm going just to adjust it to the affiliate link we are going to promote. So I just go back to the affiliate program here. So I'm just going to use here the information. For example, the 0 is on 100%. So I put here. So I'm just going to select some of them that really looks catchy and nice. Okay, here I say for more info, and then I put my email. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just to put the photo here. So I just go here and I have only this photo here. So I'm just gonna copy the image and go here and paste it here. I think it looks good. Now let's go here and download this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to the Facebook and look for some of the groups related to this niche. And what I'm going to do now is to search here for example, make money, and just see what kind of groups it shows me for this niche. All right, so I chose the groups and the public ones. So here we have the groups we can choose from related to money, because this product we are going to promote is related to making money online. So I'm just going to go to groups which are exactly with people interested in this topic. So what I do is go, for example, to this one here, make money 41k members. So here I'm just going to create a post here, and I add the photo that I created. Okay, I'm just going to grab the name of the creator of this package. So I go back here and I just write here, I have a partner, my client. I just copy the whole sentence here. I put here, I partner with my friend Glenn, who is, so I just put who is a multi-7-figure award-winning online digital marketer. I'm just following the video I showed you in the beginning about what to write here. In the video, it focuses on putting the sentence here that says that not everyone can participate in this session. So I'm just going to write this sentence, but not everyone can join. All right, now I think this one is ready, so I'm just going to post it now. Now, as we can see, my post is not visible to public yet. It's just pending. Maybe it's just because it's going to be reviewed by the group. So I'm just going to have this same post on different groups here and see if it just goes through and it's really publicly posted, and if we get any results based on the video. All right, I'm back here after half an hour. Let's go and see what happened to our post in Facebook. Okay, now I'm in the Facebook again. Here is the one that I joined, Make Money Online. So I just go here, and this one, as I can see here, my post is not here. It has been deleted. That's very strange, because I think maybe the admin just found my video promotional, and because of that they deleted that one. So it just shows that maybe this method is not really working that much as it was claimed, that you can easily just put this kind of posts here in these groups. But I'm just going to try the other groups. So I go here and, for example, join this one and go Make Money Online here, and I try to put the post here. I'm just going to put the text here. I put it in a Word document here, so I just copied this and I put it here. All right, so let's see if this group also accepts it or not. So I just post it here. I think this is posted here. Yeah, this one is posted here. There's no pending, and oh, okay, people can see it now here. That's good. Okay, this one worked. Now let's go to the other one, the other group. So for example, Make Money Online, I joined this one. I just do the same here. Okay, and then I post this one. It's working again. I think the first one, I think maybe it was just going to the pending for review, but these ones don't have any reviewing or something. So I just go back to the other one, Make Money Online today, and I just go to this one. So I think this one is like this group is just like the first group I tried, and it's going to a pending mode. So it's not something like the second and the third one that I tried. It's been easily published and was live to the public. So I think with these 4 ones, I'm just going to wait again and see what happens. And after some time, I will come back again and see the result. Alright, I'm back after 24 hours, and now I want to go to our Facebook groups and check our posts and see how it is doing, and see if any people left any comments for us. Okay, now I go to the first group that we posted. I just want to go and see if it shows any content we posted. But here we don't have any posts, so because when we posted at that time, it went through pending and nothing happened. I'm going to check the other group. Okay, now I'm in the second group that we joined, and here I go and check here my content. Okay, now I can see that our content is removed here, and nothing happened to it. It was just removed because the admin maybe found it promotional. Okay, so I go to the next one. This is another group that we joined, and now I go to this one, your content. All right, this one is published. Okay, this is the only, I think, one so far that is published. Okay, now I go and check it in the group, view in the group, and see here if there is any comment. No comment. Nothing happened, it was just posted and nobody reacted to this post. And I go to the next one. This is the last group here. And I just check here to see. All right, our post is declined. So the admin didn't allow it to be in the group and to be posted. It was declined because it was promotional, they thought. All right, nothing happened really. We didn't get any comments, we didn't get any ideas because, as you know, this post that we put here, we just wanted to encourage people just to come here and post something, Okay, but it seems that this method is not really working because I think I tried all the steps, from the video and we posted, but nobody even posted a comment to be interested in what we were offering. And this is just giving me a red flag because this method is not making any money. I think no reaction from people, especially in the Facebook, that many groups are declining our post when we are doing this, or maybe they just under review or just pending. Thank you very much for watching this video until here. It means a lot to me, and also I appreciate all your support and all your great comments. If you like these kind of videos more in future, please go ahead and in the comments just write for me that you need more of these videos, and I will make sure to post these kind of videos more in future. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.